Hi friends, so today I'm really very excited because this is the first ever time I'm filming a video for you all, and as I promised that I'll be coming live on last Sunday, but people were messaging me saying that they are not available at a particular time. So I thought of why not making a tutorial and posting it as an IGTV video. So I'll be filming today. I have already done my face makeup and this eye look of one eye. So let's do the second eye now. So let me pin my hair first of all. Okay, now for this eye look I have used my Makeup Revolution Allure palette, and it is a very beautiful palette. I'll show you. It takes some time to open. So it comes here with this plastic thing over it, and then if you look at it, see, I have already broken one pan of it, if you can see, but it is a very beautiful palette, and it is also called like a dupe of Huda Beauty nude palette, and as you can see it has some amazing shades. So I'll be doing this eye look using this palette, and I'll be using maximum 3 to 4 shades out of this palette. So let's begin with it. So first of all, I am taking a brush like this. I have actually already used this brush for this eye. So this is like eye crease brush in the number 8, and it is a very like not so fluffy brush, but you can use it. So what I'll be doing is I am taking this shade, which is slightly you can say purplish burgundy kind of shade, and I will be using it here in the outer corner of my eyes. I'll be applying it in circular motion, and you have to keep your hands very light because these shades are quite pigmented, so they can also create a mess, and you'll be unable, like you'll not be able to blend it properly if you take a large amount of quantity of this shade at once. So take bit by bit and apply in outer corner of your eyes. See, I have taken very less amount of this shade because I wanted a very subtle look which should be a glam look, but in a very subtle manner. See, you have to blend it and blend it to get that particular eye look effect as you are wanting. You have to blend it and blend it till there is no harsh line and there is no patchiness in the shadow which you have applied. So blend it as much as you can. Now it is giving a slight pink shade, so I'll take some more of it and then apply it once more. Now what will I do? I'll take some more of it and then apply in the inner corner of my eyes, and taking a little bit above. Take it slightly above to your crease and then blend it. Just take care of one thing, you have to apply it in the outer corner and the inner corner, and you do not have to apply the same shade in the middle of the eyelid. I'll take some more of the shade. And don't worry if you are not able to apply the shade and blend it properly in the inner part of your eyelid, because that's completely okay. It's a very simple beginner's eye look, and it will be, at the end, it will be giving you a very nice result, so don't worry about it. Now, since I'm done with the shade, what will I do is I'll take a more fluffier brush, and what will I do? I'm taking this shade. It's a very light pink shade which I'm taking from this palette, and I'll be applying it in my crease. With a very light hand you have to apply the shade, just to give that particular like transition effect. So that's why I have taken light pink shade. I'm done with it. So what will I be doing? I'm taking that particular brush which I took for this shade again, and then I'm dipping the same brush in the next shade, which is a maroon shade with some sheen. I'll be taking this, and then I'm applying it in the outer corner of my eye, because I wanted it to come out. I wanted that shade, that was a matte shade, but I want that color to come out, and like it should highlight my eye feature. So what I'm doing is I'm applying it on that shade in the outer corner of my eye once again. You don't need to apply a lot of that shade, but just to give a little shine, I'm applying it. See, there is little bit fallout of the shade also, but don't worry, we'll remove it at the end. Same shade I'm taking once again, this one, and applying in the inner corner of my eye. And taking slightly to my crease to deepen it. Now as you can see, the shade has been applied to the inner part of my eye and the outer part of my eye, but the middle part I have left. But since we are not doing any complex makeup, so I'll just show you how you can give a halo effect on this. You can take a flat brush like this. It is a medium shader brush, and then you have to dip it into this shade. It is a slight sparkly shade in light pink, baby pink shade, and with light sparkles, so I love this shade. I'm just dipping it several times because I want that particular shine in the middle of my eyelid. I will be applying it over this, only in the middle part of your eyelid. So I'm done. Now as you can see, these kind of glittery shades, or you can say sheer particle shades, which are present in your palette, so they are best to apply with your own fingers. So once I have given the base of the shade on my middle part of the eyelid, I'll be dipping my finger into it and then just dabbing it to the middle part of my eyelid like this. See, can you notice the difference? I'll do it once again because I want some more of the glittery effect. Now I'm again taking my brush which I have used to cover all of like maximum part of my eye look. I'll again dip it into this shade over here and then try to blend out all the harsh lines which I can see. Also in my crease to deepen it. Again I am taking this shade and the final touch. See, now my eye look is complete. Okay. Now I'll be applying kajal on it. My eye look is still not yet completed, and now let's do the lower lash line. What I'm doing is I'm just taking the same shade which I took initially, this one. This is a burgundy shade, and I'm using a pencil brush for this, and I'll be applying it in my lower lash line, just joining the upper eye look. I'll apply this shade only till this end. I'll not carry it forward up till this end. I'll just apply it till here. There is fallout. Now I'm again taking this shade which I used for my eyelid and apply it over it just to have a matching eye look as above. Now using the same brush, I'll be dipping it into the shade which I used in the middle of my eyelid, and then I'll be applying it. Just notice what I'm doing over here. I am applying it here in the corners of my eye, in the lower lash line, and then joining it to the end of my eye here and taking it slightly above just to give a little bit cheer. Okay, so now this eye look is completed. And what about this fallout? See, I'll take a fluffy brush like this, and then this kind of fluffy brush to remove all the excessive fallout from the shadow. So now I guess my eye look is completed. See how easy this tutorial was, how easy this eye look was. You can create it at anywhere, in any kind of party you are going, at your friend's house, at a small get together, anywhere you can carry this eye look very easily. It will match with every kind of outfit you are wearing. And okay, I am thinking that I should apply some more blush because it's missing. After this eye look has been completed, I think I should apply some little bit of blush. So I'll be using the same brush, and here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose, because it's a pink eye look, so I want to keep it in coordination. So I'm applying the same blush. I'll be dipping it into the pan like this. So let me check. Yes, now this eye look is complete and complete makeup. So now I have completed my makeup look, and just let me know down below in the comment section how did you like this tutorial. And if you want some more tutorials like this, I'll be doing more videos and bringing out to you some more easy to do tutorials for everyday look as well. So just let me know down below in the comment section about your views. Thank you.